Dual jaw pliers. Used for installing nock set and deloops. Color is black. Multiple tools in one with this dual jaw pliers. They can be used for installing nock sets as well as deloops. Comfortable, durable grip. Top reviews from the United States. Great for small and large deloops. Doesn't matter what type of D-loop you're after, whether it's small or larger, this is going to work. I've been looking around for a set of D-loop pliers that I knew would work. I am not much on buying things just to try out hoping it would work. I don't have time for that. I figured I would get these Easton pliers. They are well known in the archery world and have been around for a long time. These work. They get the job done and they do it right. Can't go wrong with Easton. I would definitely recommend.